Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the LED flasher circuit. I have shown the circuit. You can take a screenshot for your reference. Take a breadboard. Now we are going to connect BJT. All the three BJTs are connected with some separation so that we can connect all the other components between them. I am keeping the upper side of the breadboard as VCC and the lower side of the breadboard as a ground. We will be using as a common ground. So now I am going to connect a 10K resistor from base to VCC for all the three BJTs. I am repeating the steps so that we can easily connect for all three sets. We can make it more than three sets with the same procedure. Now I am going to connect a 1K resistor from collector to VCC for all the three BJTs. Make sure that every component is correctly connected. I hope everyone knows the collector, emitter and base configuration of BJT and the breadboard common things. Now I am connecting emitter to the ground. All the three BJT's emitters are grounded. We all know that the first 5 of the breadboard is a series connection and next 5 will be the series connection. So we are making shorting it to make the whole as a single series connection so that we can connect the ground everywhere else we needed, and also for doing the same for VCC. Now we gonna connect a diode. The negative terminal of diode is connected to the collector and the positive terminal is connected to somewhere so that we can connect all other components with the doing the same for all the three. The negative terminal of diode is connected to collector and the positive terminal is connected somewhere. We are taking three LEDs. The positive terminal of LED is connected with the positive terminal of diode and the negative terminal of LED is grounded. Do the same for all the three. I am using these three color LEDs. You can use whatever you like. Take a 220 ohm resistor and connect it from diode positive terminal to VCC. 220 ohm resistor is connected from diode positive terminal to VCC. You can see here the diode positive terminal, LED positive terminal and 220 ohm resistor are in the same line. Now we are going to connect a 220 microfarad capacitor from base to somewhere. From that we have to connect with the jumper wire to the negative terminal of the diode. The other end of the capacitor is connected to the negative terminal of the each diode. Do the same for all the three. We are going to connect 220 ohm microfarad for the second BJT is base, from base to somewhere else, so we can connect it with the negative terminal of the diode. Here we are connecting 220 microfarad capacitor and I am connecting here. The negative terminal of diode will be here, so I am using a longer jumper wire to connect it. Now the final part, we are going to give the supply. I mentioned in the circuit 9 volt, but I have 3.7 volt only, so I am giving this. You can see the LED flasher. I hope you all enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.